gonna let's try. Let's take
Music
along here.
licensing
We can get tagged in.
reimagined.
So we got our stop down here. Risking 65 for 65 profit. Hopefully we can just hold this opening range.
Artlist.io.
So we got a bit of a roadblock up here. What do we got? 21 and 22, like 2175 has a lot of orders. So there's a good chance we can be pushing higher here. Lot of orders up above that could be taken. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 1,000 contracts between 64, 20, and 25, maybe 26. So it could be the nice draw on liquidity here. So far I'm liking the move. Let's see what happens here at the, we got these big roadblock orders here up at the 62, 61.75-ish. 62, 64.22 actually. Got a little rejection there. Took some of those orders at 61.50, 61.25. 61.50. So you can see some continuation. A nice break above this area. I would be considering to add a little bit to this trade. Up above 64.22. We can take those contracts. 22 there with some momentum would be nice. Kind of a feeler starter position, not risking a whole lot. 65 is our
Music
stop.
licensing
Right below that
reimagined.
fair value gap. Let's lower this a little bit here. 65, 65.
Artlist.io.
Get a pullback here. Bounced off opening range high. On this last candle. Finding some buyers supporting us up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's a value area high. Lines up with the top of the range. Still waiting to hear from my client about time. I'm gonna go talk about his listing. So we got 2 watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the like button. That would be much appreciated. Whoever the second person is, if it's me, I don't know. It could be me. No, I closed that, so it's got to be somebody else.
Music licensing reimagined.
Still holding that opening range high. Just kind of stuck in this little area of consolidation there. You can see it's here too. So need to take an attempt at that 64.22 here. There's like 209 orders up there. See seems like we're gonna take an attempt at it right here.
Artlist.io.
Now, depending on how we react here, we might dip into it, take a bunch of orders, and then pull back. If we rip right through it, I'm probably just gonna add right away. But if we kind of bounce off of it, I might be a little more patient on the ad there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sometimes these big orders end up being like roadblocks, and that's kind of like the turning point in the trade. But seems like we're kind of just forming a bull flag here. We got some equal highs, which is good. So usually equal highs are going to want to be taken for the liquidity up there.
Artlist.io.
To see how this goes here. Some orders came off, it looks like. Yeah, we had like 280, 300 orders, and then they've obviously closed some of those
Music
orders.
licensing reimagined.
We're gonna take it here. So let's change. Gonna heading up there right now. There we go, we took it. A little bit of a pullback on that. Pretty solid take. I'm gonna add there if I can. Okay, let's close that. I'm actually gonna drag my stop up here, potentially. We'll just make this a break-even trade, or no?
Music
jump it out just
licensing
yet.
reimagined.
Missed that ad there. Looking like we might actually get right to the TP here. As Randy would say, boner candle. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit it here. Didn't get to add, but that's all good. Just nice to see a trade play out like you wanted to. There we go, we're out. Alright, nice trade. And I forgot to record it again. Shoot.
Music licensing reimagined.
You know, I'm streaming live, but I'm just not, you know, I can record directly to the computer when I'm running. I should have, but when I start thinking about taking the trade, that's all that I'm thinking about. I'll get better at this part, so I'll probably have to go back and watch the stream, and then just like clip out the trade again.
Artlist.io.